local transportation, or if you have the benefit of being in a city that has like subways, that's a great time to go ahead and start getting your brain into that.
Totally. And embrace a marathon mindset. It's not a sprint. Building
Yeah,
your business is going to take time. And you know me, I'm pretty impatient, but
we
finally
both
I'm
are.
understanding. It's okay that things are are slow. That's actually a good thing because you want to build authentic, real relationships and a good business for yourself and for who you want to help or whatever you want to sell things or there's so many
Yeah,
opportunities.
depending on your product, like it might take,
Yeah.
6, 9 months to build a really good customer base and to build that know, like, and trust to where they're actually gonna start buying from you, or, they see the work you put into it, so they believe the quality's good or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad thing to take the time. And if there's some stuff that you just don't have time for,